Hey you guys, welcome back to Agape Living. It is your girl Shajua, and today we are going to do a mini unboxing for a Ipsy product that I purchased. Now this is my first time ever shopping out for makeup, like through the websites and getting them to send me things that they curated through a quiz that I've selected. So I'm super excited to do this, and you guys, we're just gonna see how this video goes. Now, before we get into the video, if this is your first time clicking on this channel, welcome. It's good to have you. Go ahead and do yourself a favor and click that subscribe button so that way you can join the Agape family, because we love to have you. And if you are returning back to my channel, hey bestie, how are you? Good to see you. Now, before we get into this video, I'm gonna need you all to say this with me. Say, Satan, I'm here, I'm lit, and there's nothing you can do about it. And that's on what? Here.
You are the only one. Whoa, 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 whoa. All about my God, 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 tatted on my heart.
So you guys, I ended up getting two gifts from Ipsy. They sent me two bags. This one is a secret gift that I'm not sure what's in it, but this one is my bag that typically I would get on a monthly basis. Now I did sign up for their subscription. If I'm not mistaken, it is about $12 to $16 a month. I am going to give you guys the direct price on this video, and it is super easy. You go to the website. It begins to ask you questions such as a quiz on things that you like and that you're looking for within the beauty industry. It asks you about moisturizers, makeup, different types of lipsticks, how your skin is, and things like that. And then it curates this entire catalog, or shall we say profile, for you, so you can be able to get products. So this is my first product, and off the bat, I gotta say guys, the bag smells amazing. There's something in here that has a sweet smell, and I'm just so excited to get into this. So this is like a really cute bag. On the zipper, it has the word love on it, and it says Ipsy. The bag is a pink, yellow, pink, and purple bag, and it is breathable. Off the back, I'm thinking like I can store products in here. I've had this for 2 weeks. I haven't used anything in it but the lipstick. So I've had it for that long, and so far it has been such a lifesaver because I already have so many products, and I'm currently in the process of revamping my bathroom and revamping my room because you guys know I just moved. So I don't have much organization going on right now. So this is something that I appreciate in this season. But I'm not gonna bore you guys with the conversation. Let's get into seeing what type of treats are in here. Let's check it out. So opening the bag, guys, the first thing I was able to grab was this really cute Nifty Berries Bubble Tea Body Butter. I really love this because you can utilize this to moisturize your hands when you're out. I love a good hand lotion, especially when I'm out and about, because when I'm washing my hands and things like that, you do need to re-moisturize, and this is something good to have. So this is a really cool thing. It does have natural ingredients in it. It says that it is 99.6% organic. It has aloe vera juice in it, hyaluronic acid, and polyglutamatic acid. So this is something really cool, and it has like a raspberry extract smell. I think it may even have natural raspberries in it. I don't know why, but I just really want to try it right now. So I just popped it open, the seal, and I'm gonna give it a smell. And let's see. Ooh, I like this. If you want the bees to chase you this summer, definitely get this. This is like really nice. It's very moisturizing. Some lotions that I typically put on, because I do have a mild eczema with my skin, I noticed that it'll like immediately water down and turn like into a liquid, and it doesn't moisturize. Like I can feel that it doesn't moisturize, but for this is giving me like real moisture. It's not cocoa butter, ladies. I mean, I love cocoa butter. And I can say this too, it's kind of dry and a little bit sticky as well, but it smells fantastic. So I really like this. I'll put it in my purses when I'm traveling so that way I can stay moisturized. Yeah, we like this. We like this. So let's see what other products the bag has for us, because the bag gives. So the next product that I pulled out of the bag was this Benefits powder, and it's by Hoola. It's really nice. Let me go ahead and pop the box open. Read any type of things that may be included with it. So it's this really nice brown powder. It looks like something that I would typically put under my eye. And from what I can tell, and let me just see if I can utilize my phone to kind of like look at myself while I do this, because I don't have a mirror with me. I put everything up. Just from what I can tell, it kind of mattifies under the eye. I should have used this, not just the lip gloss, right? To kind of add a mattified look. And sometimes I do, as some people do as well, get oily in my T-zone. So that's really nice. This is really nice. This is something that I would like to try out. It says in the hood of the box, laughter is the best cosmetic, and it really has some really nice, you know, hold to it. So I'm really feeling this. I'll try it out to see if it'll benefit me in the future, because that's what Ipsy is for you to try different products to see how it benefits you in your future, and see if it's something that you will of course want to invest in the larger size item for it. So Benefits Hoola. This is really nice. Ooh, you guys, so we have some Juicy Couture in here. This is taking me back to 2012, 2000-ish. 2000, early 2000s. Let me not go too deep. But this is like what all the girls used to love back in the day, is Juicy Couture. So this is Juicy Couture Rosé Land. It says that it has peony blossom, rose petals, and sparkling metal. And it's a fine fragrance soy candle. So let me see, give it a smell. Now earlier today when I was preparing for the video, this was completely melted because my house was ridiculously hot. But we're gonna give it a check. So it still is kind of melted. Oh my gosh, but it smells amazing. So this is what I was smelling, guys. It's like a soft, summery fragrance. It smells like flowers. It smells really, really good. Like really, really good. Even though it has melted, I can't even see the candle wick through this. I have a candle warmer, and I'm actually gonna utilize this on the candle warmer. I think I'm gonna scoop some out and put it on as soon as the video is over. I love for my house to smell good. And I love fruity smells. I love summery smells. I don't like, some people like that smell where, you know, you have a good cologne in the house. It smells like a man's house. I like this. I like clean summer flowers. So this is really nice. And I think I'm going to invest in the larger candle because this smells chef's kiss. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I have this product that I actually requested, a toner. And I didn't even know they were going to send it, but they did. This was something that I requested within my quiz, because I do have a lot of dark spots like going this way down my face. My skin was always so clear, especially like during my teenage years when people had a lot of acne. I didn't really have that. But I'm not gonna lie, I am a pimple popper. So if I see something come up, I'm gonna pop it and I'm gonna let it be what it is. I don't let it sit there. That's just who I am. But I'm learning to start a new skin regimen. So with that being said, I ended up requesting a toner, and this is Tea Time by Biro, New York. And this actually goes for $84, and I ended up getting this for only $16 with my other things. This is something that I'm actually very excited to use because I want to see how products respond to my sensitive skin. And this has raving reviews on the internet. So this is something that I am going to look into using immediately. I mean, immediately. When I originally did my other video, because this is actually the second go round for this video, but I didn't like the first one. When I did the other video, I did say that I was going to use this, but I wanted to give it some time, and I'm happy I did because, yeah, I wasn't ready. I actually want to see how this smells. I almost snorted it. Honestly, my hand still smells like the raspberry lotion. I don't smell anything in here, so I don't smell a thing. So yeah, but I definitely am going to post some of the videos of me using the products because I really want to see how this looks. Tea time, baby. It's time to start some tea. Okay, and we're gonna go to my last product that is inside the bag that I received for this month. Let's see what we have. Okay guys, so for my last product, and she has already made an appearance because I love it. This is called Boss Gloss Sugar Daddy. Because Sugar Daddy, cause period. Nah, I'm playing. But this is called Boss Gloss, and this is by Queen Studios, QVEEN Studios. This is like one of my favorite things that they've sent me. When I did my first video and I tried this lip gloss on, baby, this is like the perfect nude summer lip gloss besides what everybody else is saying. Like, this is so nice. Typically, what I would do with my lip combo is I'll do an outline, I'll put some NYX, some NYX, like a matte peach lip gloss in the middle, a lipstick in the middle, whatever you want to call it, and then I'll go ahead and put some of my Milani on top of it to make these lips, you know, be hydrated. But this is all in one, and I'm really feeling this for sure. So this, I love it. It's like the perfect nude. And typically, like for me, even though I'm not like a super like melanated dark chocolate girl, I struggle to find nude lipsticks that kind of fit me. This doesn't make me look ashy. It doesn't make me look like Tyrone Biggums. It makes me look real cute. So this is a winner for me, for sure. That was what I got this month from Ipsy, and I can say you guys did not disappoint with this bag. I have products that I know of, I have products that I've never heard of, that I'm excited to use, and it actually makes me excited to keep my membership open because honestly, I'm the type of girl that I'll try a membership out. If it disappoints me, your girl is gone like immediately. Ask Walmart. So with this actually makes me happy because I'm trying products that actually can benefit me in the future, and I'm getting diversified with makeup. And I'm not really a super huge makeup guru, even though like I have friends that do makeup and things like that. This actually is really exciting to me. So good job, Ipsy. And now for the final bag. I ended up receiving this as another bag in the mail, and I don't know what's in it. I mean, the bag already had me sold, guys. It's so cute. It's super durable. I'm gonna keep this bag even after I open this. But tell me this is not the cutest bag and the cutest color combination. This is so cute. And so it has like a little box inside of it from what I can feel, but this bag is just amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and peek inside to see what is in store for me. So let's see what we have. Ooh, so this is the Luxe 5-Blade Razor Kit, and it is from Refresh Mints. Ah, that's cute, Refresh Mints, that's really cute. So basically it says it glides gracefully over curves and makes way for smooth. Built-in smoothing strip with 5 blades for an extra close shave, helps prevent bumps and burns, pairs with our pillowy shaving cream for an even smoother shave. So this, I love this. This is such a cool gift. I feel like who doesn't need a razor in their pantry or in their bathroom? So this is cool. And the box is actually given. Do you guys see this? The detail on it? They really took their time to package this. So coming inside, when you open the box, it does come with 2 razor blades. It has the shaver base that you hold, and this actually is not no cheap blade. This ain't no big. This is like a real razor. And so this has replaceable heads that you can put on it. And then something that I thought was a really cool and neat touch. Wow. They also have like a suction that you can stick to the wall where you can utilize to hold this razor down. So this is like really cool, and this gift was actually given to me for free by Ipsy. So I'm really excited because I get to use that. And they also give you a card, and basically it's from the refreshments, and it shows you how to like take care of your skin and health. It gives you ways to stock your bathroom, and you can be able to also see some of their reviews of people who utilize the product. Last but not least, it also tells you about your personal care and how utilizing their products can give you a peace of mind. It tells you about how you can have a sparkling clean product. It's mindfully made, and it is top shelf product for bottom shelf prices, and we love a good deal. Last but not least, your favorites are on repeat, so you can set up a subscription where this comes to you on a monthly basis. I really love how on the back of the card it also showcases some of the other products that they sell, so kudos to you, Refreshments. This is definitely another company that I'm gonna look into, and that's the thing, like Ipsy is putting me on to the real. Like there's companies that I've never heard of that I'm able to experience and learn from, so we love that. Thank you so much, Auntie Ipsy. So you guys, that is the end of my unbagging with Ipsy. I really enjoyed the products, and I'm more excited to utilize them to see how it affects my skin. If I break out in hives, you guys will know. If it doesn't break me out and if it benefits me, you guys will be the first to know, because as I always say, we are family, we are besties, so it pays to tell your best friends everything. But I do want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. Do not forget to go ahead and watch my other videos that were posted, and make sure you guys have a blessed, fantastic day. Until next time, it's your girl Shajua, and you guys be safe. Bye.